Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 13 new cheap Chinese tools that are beating big brands at low prices. These affordable tools deliver impressive performance, smart designs, and incredible value for DIYers and professionals alike. Stay until the end to discover budget-friendly game changers you won't want to miss. MIG Welder, the ARCCAPTAIN. MIG Welder is a versatile multi-process welding machine designed for DIY enthusiasts, automotive repair, and light fabrication. Supporting MIG, flux core, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and optional spool gun operation, it delivers reliable performance on both 120 volts and 240 volts power. Smart Synergic controls automatically optimize welding settings, while the digital display simplifies operation. Built-in safety features, efficient cooling, and a lightweight design make it a dependable choice for beginners and experienced welders alike. Thermal imaging camera. The TOOLTOP thermal imaging camera delivers affordable, high-quality thermal diagnostics for electricians, HVAC technicians, mechanics, and DIY users. Available as compact smartphone modules or standalone thermal multimeters, it quickly detects heat loss, electrical faults, overheating components, and insulation issues. High-resolution infrared sensors, multiple color palettes, wide temperature ranges, and user-friendly displays provide accurate results. Select models also combine thermal imaging with multimeter and oscilloscope functions, making them versatile all-in-one diagnostic tools. Laser Engraver, the Longer Ray 5. Laser Engraver is a versatile diode laser machine designed for makers, woodworkers, and small businesses. Available in 5-watt, 10-watt, and 20-watt models, it delivers precise engraving and efficient cutting on wood, leather, acrylic, and more. A built-in 3.5-inch touchscreen enables standalone operation, while Wi-Fi, USB, and SD card support provide flexible connectivity. Advanced safety features, air assist compatibility, and light burn support make the Ray 5 an excellent choice for creative projects. Brushless angle grinder. The 21-volt, 125mm brushless 3-speed cordless angle grinder is a versatile power tool designed for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Its efficient brushless motor delivers strong performance while extending battery life, and the 3-speed selector adapts to a variety of materials and tasks. Compatible with standard 125mm accessories and Makita 18-volt LXT style batteries, it offers excellent flexibility. Safety features such as anti-restart protection, overload protection, and a comfortable ergonomic grip make it ideal for DIY and professional use. Cordless cleaner washer. The 200-bar 2500-watt cordless high-pressure cleaner washer is a portable, battery-powered cleaning tool commonly sold under various generic brand names across online marketplaces. It is designed for washing cars, outdoor furniture, and light household surfaces by drawing water from buckets or tanks through a self-priming hose. While advertised pressure figures are often exaggerated, real performance is closer to mid-range portable washers, offering convenient, cordless operation and flexible use for everyday outdoor cleaning tasks for general household maintenance and use. Reciprocating Saw. The Makita 18-volt LXT reciprocating saw lineup includes a full-size demolition model and a compact one-handed version for different cutting needs. The XRJ05Z delivers powerful, aggressive cutting for framing and pipework, while the XRJ07ZB is designed for tight spaces, plumbing, and overhead tasks. Both feature brushless motors for efficiency and longer runtime, toolless blade changes, variable speed control, and built-in LED lighting. Compatible with Makita 18V L XT batteries, they offer reliable performance for professional and DIY use. PATUOPRO Sander. The PATUOPRO 125mm cordless random orbital sander is a budget-friendly, brushless power tool designed for DIY woodworking, furniture refinishing, and surface preparation. It runs on a 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad with an 8-hole dust extraction system for cleaner operation. A 3-speed electronic control allows switching between fine finishing, general sanding, and aggressive material removal. Its random orbital motion helps prevent swirl marks, while the lightweight ergonomic design and dust-sealed construction improve comfort, durability, and long-term performance. Glue Gun. NEWBENY. 100 watts, cordless. Hot Melt Glue Gun is a heavy-duty adhesive tool designed for repairs, crafting, and workshop use. Powered by a high-output heating system reaching up to 280 degrees Celsius, it delivers fast melt time and consistent flow for 11mm glue sticks. Its ceramic PTC element ensures stable temperature control, while the copper nozzle provides smooth extrusion and durability. The ergonomic trigger reduces hand fatigue, and heat-resistant insulation improves safety. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers cordless operation for DIY. Oscillating multi-tool. Cordless oscillating multi-tools are versatile power tools used for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding in tight spaces. They work by rapidly oscillating blades at high speed, allowing precise plunge cuts into wood, drywall, plastic, and metal. Cordless versions offer portability and convenience on job sites. Most models feature variable speed control, tool-free blade changes, and compatibility with universal accessories. They are ideal for renovation, trimming door frames, removing grout, and detailed repair, where larger saws cannot operate safely or efficiently. Screwdriver. Makita DTD171 18V L XT Brushless Impact. Driver is a high-performance fastening tool designed for professional construction, woodworking, and mechanical work. It delivers up to 180 Newton-meters of torque in an ultra-compact 116mm body, making it ideal for tight spaces. With variable speed control up to 3,600 revolutions per minute and 3,800 inches per minute, it ensures precise driving power. Its 1/4 inch hex chuck allows quick bit changes, while multiple assist modes prevent stripping screws. Dual LEDs and brushless efficiency improve visibility and runtime. Sprayer 1000 watts. A 1000 watt electric paint sprayer is a high-performance HVLP tool designed for fast and even application of paint, stains, primers, and varnishes. It significantly reduces painting time compared to brushes or rollers. Most models include a large 1000 to 1400 milliliter paint container, and adjustable spray patterns such as horizontal, vertical, and circular. With multiple nozzle sizes, it handles everything from thin stains to thicker paints. Corded versions offer constant power, while cordless models provide portability for indoor and outdoor painting tasks.